Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Wrong Guitar Gwen Stefani with the song called True Babe. Alright, so we have one chord progression that goes almost from the entire song except from a bridge part later on. Anyway, this is a song without any capo used here, so we'll go clean. And let's take a look at the chords now. We have 6 different chords to learn, so let's go from the start here with A. Okay, so that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have the F sharp minor. It's a bar chord. You place a bar over all strings here on the 2nd fret, and then you need to add 4th on A and 4th on D. We have the C sharp minor. You continue here with the bar chords, and we now place the bar on the 4th fret, and you bar all strings except from the last E here in the bass. So 5 strings from bottom and up, and then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. From the C sharp minor, you go to the D now. We will use the bar chord for D. That's the easiest way. So what you do, you just take the same grip and go 1 fret towards your body to place the bar now on the 5th fret, okay? Same strings there, all strings except for the last E. And then the rest is to take 7th on D and 7th on G. So we go with the sus version here. Okay, like that, that's the D. Then we have the B minor. Looks the same as the C sharp minor we had before, but now the bar is placed on the 2nd fret. So same strings, 5 strings from bottom up there on the 2nd fret, and then 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. That's the B minor. And finally we have the E. So we're going with open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So there we have all the chords: A, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, D, B minor, and E. All right. So now we will practice our downstrokes, and they'll be pretty fast here. Just downs, okay? So you can think pair of chords here. The main chord progression will be A, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, and D. You play that almost through the entire song except from a bridge part later on. We'll come to that. But for the first 2 minutes and 10 seconds, that's what's going on. And like I said, only downs, okay? And pair of chords. That means you're gonna play the first chord 7 downs and the second chord 9 downs, okay? So that gives us a certain rhythm. It's not 8-8, it's 7-9, okay? So it goes like this. Slowly from A to F sharp minor. It will be 7 A's and 9 F sharp minors. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And that's 9 in total. Okay, so that's how you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 on A. That's 7. And then you go to F sharp minor and play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, and that's 9. So the rhythm like this without any speaking. So okay, so and then you do the same here with the transition here from C sharp minor to D, okay? So very sweet, short little adjustment there from C to D, okay? And it goes like this. And that's the main chord progression there. So a couple rounds of it goes. Like I said, you do that for numerous times till 2 minutes and 10 seconds into the song. At that point, we have a bridge part, and we'll play pretty much in the same way, almost. And now we will play this chord progression, B minor 7 to D 9. Okay, so that's one pair. Then you go to E 7 and F sharp minor 9. Then you start all over again, B minor 7 and D 9. And then you end with E 16. Okay, so that last E chord there 16 times. Or you can think E 7 plus E 9. I mean, that's the same. I just wrote 16 here because we will stay with the E chord there. So you can have the same rhythm there, 7 plus 9. If that makes it easier in your mind, then it's E7 plus 9 or 16. So the bridge parts, B minor 7, D9, E7, F sharp minor 9, B7, D9, and E16. All right, let's go. And that's a bridge part. As soon as you played this, I just played for you for one round. Then you'll go back to the main A, F sharp, C sharp, and D and play till the very end. GWEN Stefani's True Babe. Give it a try, guys. Until next time, play tuned.